Long ago, a stag and a lion wandered in a forest in Serbia. Each one wanted a place to build a house. One day, the stag found a nice clearing near the edge of a pond. He flattened it out. He left after working the whole day. That night, the lion stumbled upon the flattened clearing. He thought, "This is the perfect place for my house." He made a fence with bushes and tree branches and slept well. He left the next morning. In the morning, the surprised stag found the clearing fenced. He thought, "Oh, someone is helping me," and was pleased. He laid down a good, strong foundation with large stones. That night, the pleased lion saw that his house had a stone floor. So he went ahead and built the walls. The next day, the stag put up a grass roof. Now his house was ready. He munched grass and went to sleep. At night, the lion came to the house. He saw the stag. He thought the stag would attack him with his sharp antlers. The stag thought the lion would attack him. So they both ran off in great haste in the opposite directions. Both of them never lived there, and the perfect house was left empty.